How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. In today's video, I'm going to give you a solution to a minor little problem that I've noticed with quite a few of these Packout toolboxes on the internet. If you frequent discussion groups on Facebook and other sites, as well as watching videos on YouTube, you may have noticed something that I've noticed as well. It's kind of one of those things, once you see it, you can't really unsee it. Let me show you. In most of the videos, a lot of discussion groups, you see the Packouts, and you see these stickers on them that come when they're brand new. Either the stickers are still on it, or someone that's tried to scrape it off themselves, gotten to a certain point, really gave up because it's just on there. Well, I found a product that you can put on it and wipe it right off. Does a great job at removing the sticker residue. So what you want to do, once you get your Packout home, bring it in the garage or at the shop at work, pick off what you can. Flip your Packout up on its face so the sticker's facing upward. You want to spray some of this on. Nice healthy dose, and with it sitting upright like that, it could sit and soak. What I'm using is this. It's called Goo Gone. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description of this video if you want to get some of your own. Might be something worthwhile having on the top of your toolbox. You never know when you're going to need it. Now, after letting the Goo Gone sit overnight, come back, you can see it. Nothing's evaporated. And even you go to the sticker, it's released all the adhesive. Pick it off, throw it in the trash, and wipe off your Packout. Doesn't stain it, doesn't etch it, and you don't have that ugly sticker sticking on the back of your Packout. I did this 3-drawer unit a couple weeks ago, and looks great. All you can see is a couple scratches from when I tried scraping it off using other methods. Hope you found the solution helpful. Just curious, what do you guys use to get rid of your Packout toolbox stickers? After all, some of the simplest little things can also be the most frustrating. And we're always looking for a quick, easy fix for a common problem. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button, notification bell in the bottom right hand corner. That way you get notified when I get new videos coming out. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night and keep wrenching.